Are you struggling to replicate your chip experiment? Chromatin immunoprecipitation is a powerful technique to map epigenetic marks, which are extensively studied in basic and translational science and now implicated in human disease. In CHIP, modification-specific antibodies enrich pieces of marked chromatin. The associated DNA can then be mapped to the genome using qPCR or next-gen sequencing. But the method has some major problems. It's hard to control across experiments, which complicates many studies. And success depends on antibody specificity, which is often suspect. That's where Epicypher's SnapChip can help. SnapChip employs DNA bar-coded designer nucleosomes containing individual histone modifications. Spiking them into your sample lets you directly compare chip experiments by normalizing the amount of bar-coded nucleosomes immunoprecipitated in each sample. Some researchers use chromatin from other species, such as Drosophila, for this purpose. But those are cell-derived mixtures of different epigenetic modifications, which are poorly defined and will vary from lot to lot. SnapChip nucleosomes, in contrast, are homogeneous, completely defined, and undergo rigorous quality control checks to ensure lot-to-lot consistency. And because they come in full histone modification panels, like our lysine methylation K-Metstat panel, which includes 16 uniquely modified nucleosomes, they can also assess your antibody specificity. Many antibodies claim to detect specific epigenetic marks, but are actually fairly cross-reactive. One antibody for H3K4 trimethylation may be specific to its target, but another may also pull down H3K4 dimethylation. Don't let a faulty antibody compromise your studies. SnapChip is the only product that combines internal controls with this important antibody check, a true revolution for the epigenetics field. Plus, it's easy to add SnapChip to your current protocol. Simply spike in our DNA bar-coded nucleosomes at the proper step and continue with your usual workflow. You'll also get the option to check that your antibody works before deciding whether to invest in next-gen sequencing, potentially saving time and money. Get better, more reproducible results with SnapChip. Order Epicypher's K-Metstat panel today and stay tuned for upcoming modification panels.